Hi friend, welcome to the Companies Act 2013 Bear Act series. In this series, the coverage of the section-wise coverage of whole Companies Act and methodology applied for this video series. That is the section overview, link of the section with the other section or rules, reading interpretation, example for understanding the definition or the section and logic behind the section and last there is summary of the whole section. And let's start today. We are the definition clause of the Companies Act, and first definition is the abridged prospectus. First, we understand what is the abridged prospectus as per the Companies Act, and what is the general meaning of the abridged prospectus. By its needed, what is the significant and importance of the abridged prospectus, and what are the contents involved in the abridged prospectus. Let's first start the definition. Definition of the abridged prospectus. Abridged prospectus means a memorandum containing such silent features of a prospectus as may be specified by the Securities and Exchange Board by making a regulation on this behalf. This means abridged. Abridged means short summary, reduced form, and overview, where we are not when any investor investing in a company, there is no time to review read whole prospectus. This is short and summary prospectus. It's the abridged prospectus where investor read it carefully and understand very fast, very quickly, and invest in company. So abridged prospectus is containing memorandum containing silent feature of prospectus, significant features of a prospectus, and prospectus is defined in clause 70 of section 2 as a prospectus. Any document described or issued as a prospectus, including red herring, self prospectus, or any notice, circular, advertisement, or the document inviting offer from the public for the subscription or purchase of any security or body corporate. There is a link of the abridged prospectus. When you understand the abridged prospectus, then you understand the prospectus. What are the contents of the prospectus? And in abridged prospectus, there is the short summary of the prospectus. And now understand what is the importance and how it is this definition part where we use this definition. So here is the chapter 3, part 1 of the Companies Act, where prospectus and allotment of security. This is the separate chapter of the Companies Act, and here the section arrangement, and in section number 33, there is an issue of the application form for security, and in this section it clearly says that no form of application for purchase of any of the securities of a company shall be issued unless such form is accompanied by an abridged prospectus. That is the mandatory requirement to accompany abridged prospectus while issue application for purchase of any security of a company. This is there's the exception clause also. When we detailed coverage of the section 33, then we interpret this section. There's here we see only the link of the definition with the section. And why abridged prospectus needed? Because the abridged prospectus is a summary of the prospectus, and prospectus objective is to summarize all important information prescribed by SEBI without omitting anything important. That is the when you see the abridged prospectus, you can take decision for the investment. That is the very important thing. Cover all significant or summary information, pertinent information of summary of all pertinent information covered under the abridged prospectus. And why abridged prospectus? Because it is impossible to read the prospectus fully, and when we invest in any security, so getting information about the company very quickly, accurately, and concisely is essential. That is the abridged prospectus serve this purpose. And second, abridged prospectus contain only the most vital information for deciding investment and it makes research much easier. And retail investor also benefit from this factor, because retail investor might not have the time to review entire portfolio. So there is the not short pitch and average portfolio help retail investor for investing. And section 33 says that a bridge prospectus must accompany application for purchasability. As a result, company can't accept offer from the public, and public can't invest in the company unless it received a bridge prospectus. It is mandatory to inform investor of the nature and right of their investment and consequences of their acquisition process. So here is the content of the prospectus, and there is summary of this prospectus in a brief prospectus. That is the company detail, address, name or name of the auditor, financial, other parties, date and opening of the issue, risk factor involved, financial aspect, rewind and addressing the situation, plan and schedule of the assigning, capital building of the business, company primary product and ongoing business. And that is, these are primary goal of the. These are all the contents of the prospectus, and we are covering a small abridged information of this prospectus, so that investor can decide for the. Thank you so much for watching this update. There is the definition of the word the abridged prospectus. You may refer as for the quick reference for the of this video, because on YouTube there is the no more option available for the bare exchange. Thank you so much for watching this update.